In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels. You probably came across an Instagram Reels that you want to download. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to download it. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. All I have to do is to locate the Reel video that I want to download. In this case, I'm going to download this one. Below the Reel video, I could see this share icon, so I'll proceed to tap on it. So this will pull out a list of menus. I'll continue to tap on copy link. Once the link has been copied, proceed to move out of your Instagram app and locate any browser that you are using. In this case, I'm using the Chrome browser. In the address bar, I'll type google.com. Then in the search engine, I'll type Snap Insta and hit enter. Make sure to pick the one with this best match. So this will land you on an interface like this. You can proceed to paste this link by tapping on the paste URL Instagram box, then long press and tap on the paste option. Then continue to hit on download. So this is the Instagram Reel that I've just copied the link. In order for me to download, all I have to do is to tap on download video, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded your Instagram Reels. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.